Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by comparing what you have to know in originals. Look at the box and the watch itself right away. Check the model name, size, and serial sticker on the packaging and match it to the engraving on the case. Once done, feel the weight and study the finish and screen edges. Apple tolerances are tight. Make sure the printing, font, and logos are crisp. If any lettering looks off or the box lacks paperwork, pause before proceeding further. Next, power the device and watch the boot animation. Authentic units show Apple's smooth startup and fluid UI. Go to Settings to find the serial number, or remove the band if required to read the engraving, then verify that serial on Apple's coverage page. Once paired to an iPhone, confirm it installs Watch OS updates and syncs health data. Make sure features like haptics, App Store, and ECG options appear where expected. For final confirmation, run hardware tests. Check heart rate, accelerometer, GPS lock, and compass accuracy. Originals give stable, believable readings. Test charging, magnet alignment should be exact and battery behavior normal. Once done, watch for overheating or erratic sensor values. These are red flags. If something fails, reset the watch, repair to your iPhone, and verify serial again. If problems persist, request purchase proof or return. One key troubleshooting tip. A factory reset often reveals software fakes that cannot reconnect or update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.